Welcome. The point of today's video is to give you a better understanding of how you can create your own social identity, use automation and marketing tools to create and implement your online marketing campaign. Our promise here at eLock Digital Media is for making internet marketing easy. Most businesses have been severely challenged by the major downturn in business and have found that the old ways of marketing simply are not working anymore. If you've been trying to master your online marketing yourself, so you can return to or arrive at your lifestyle of freedom, you've probably run into a few problems like information overload. And at one point or another, you've probably felt overwhelmed, frustrated, and just plain helpless at this whole internet marketing thing. Well, we feel your pain. And while the problem isn't going to just go away, I do have comforting reassurance with the following tips that will provide you with a giant shortcut to the online marketing results you're looking for. Why should you be including social media in your marketing? Social media is now the top emerging channel for lead generation among technology marketing professionals, according to a recent survey. And well over half the respondents on the survey said that lead generation was their top priority for 2010. It illustrated that marketers are beginning to rely on social media as a steady source of new customers. Facebook alone has more than 400 million active users. 50% of those users are logged onto Facebook in any given day. Facebook is now offering effective and less expensive marketing options than Google. When used properly, these social sites create priceless relationships and branding at no charge. Properly used means adding valuable content, giving away value at a 4-to-1 ratio to promoting yourself. Always remember that ratio. Give away something 4 times before you ask for something once. Old media like Yellow Pages, postcards, TV, and radio simply are not viable anymore. Consumers have switched to the internet to find and research everything. People no longer want to be sold. They prefer to be in relationship and have turned to social media for their communication, research, and recommendations. How do you get started? Make your best choices based on your time, your budget, and your desire. 2 easy choices: either do it yourself or we'll do it all for you. For really small budgets, you may want to learn to do as much of the setup as you can. We offer weekly classes as well as online options to assist you. If you prefer to continue working on your business and can invest into your marketing budget, we will do your social media and internet marketing for you, offering a substantial return on investment over the traditional marketing methods. We work with your existing budget and grow with you as your revenues increase. You want to follow this particular order of how you get involved in internet marketing. First, you want to learn how to create persuasive copywriting. And on each of these pointers, I'm going to go into more detail. Secondly, you'll take care of your branding. Third, your distribution. And last, visibility. First, let me give you the 5 key steps to persuasive copywriting. Just to get an idea of how valuable this information is alone, this information was gathered at an event that cost $5,000 to attend, and the internet marketers who've been using these tools effectively since then have been making millions. So here we go, take note. You want to make your advertising itself valuable, providing valuable information for free. A couple of good tips regarding your business would be a good example. What you're watching right now is a very good example. Extremely valuable information that's free. You want to identify and name their urgent problem. Why do people hire you? What problems are solved because of using your services? Then solve the urgent problem with a unique promise. For example, if you're frustrated with the lack of blank, your company promises to blank. Another good example just from ours is our promise is to make internet marketing easy for you. Prove that you can solve their problem with unquestionable proof. Third-party testimonials are great. Have them both written and in video format. Number 5, make your offer impossible to refuse with a user-friendly proposition. A money-back guarantee that removes any risk from their purchase is always a good one. And that's a wrap for video number 1. Congratulations. Those are very important tools to know before going forward onto the next videos, and we'll see you there.